and we couldn't make the best use of all that he could give to us, because time we couldn't avail time. But we know that his blessings and his support were always with us. And that is why, as I say, NFNS shares a very special relationship with Garoland. And there's another proof that we share a very special relationship with Garoland. And you know what that proof is. Last year, when we reconstituted the office bearers of NFNS in Darjeeling, we appointed your son, Nikman Marak, as the Vice President of NFNS. Please give him a big hand. This only shows that we take Garoland and the Garoland demand very seriously. The fact that we have come and traveled such a long distance, we have come here to express solidarity with you in your program. As many of our friends have pointed out, today is a historic program here in the history of the Garoland movement, because so many people from different parts of India have come here to express solidarity. And although many friends have not been able to travel here, they are today represented through NFNS. So I want you to understand that the movement for Garoland is not just a local movement of some Garo people. It is a movement that finds support from all over India. It is a movement that finds support from all of us. I represent Gorkhaland. Similarly, my friends represent other movements. All of us support you. And therefore, you should not think of it as a difficult or a long or an arduous journey. The word Garo in Nepali language, which is spoken in our Gorkhaland area, the word Garo means difficult. But Garoland is not difficult. The word Garo might be difficult, but Garoland, as our friends have already told us, is a reality that awaits its time. I was speaking to your former MLA, and I told him that the movement for Garoland, the demand for Garoland is unique from a particular point of view, from a special perspective. And what is that uniqueness? If you look at other demands, whether it is Gorkhaland or whether it is autonomous state in Assam or whether it is Tripura land, or whether it was even earlier states that were formed such as Telangana, or states such as Vidarbha or Bundelkhand or Bodoland which want to be formed, you will see that all of these movements face some kind of an opposition within their present parent state. In Gorkhaland, the Bengal government does not want to give Gorkhaland. Similarly, in Telangana, the Andhra government did not want to give Telangana. Similar is the case in Bundelkhand, similar is the case in Vidarbha. But today I realized that there is no opposition for Garoland as far as Meghalaya is concerned. There is no opposition at all. There might not be an open support, but there is no visible opposition that I could hear of. So in that sense, Garoland is placed in a very, very unique situation. And that is why I said the formation of Garoland is not Garo at all. It's not difficult at all. It is something that awaits its time. And I feel that the time is round the corner. It's not very far off. I feel that now the momentum is picking up as far as Garoland is concerned. And I now feel that this momentum will take the people of Garoland to the rightful destiny, which is the creation of Garoland state. I firmly believe that. Our former MLA said that it is his dream. And we know that this phrase is a very well-known phrase. Martin Luther used this phrase. He said, I have a dream. As far as Gorkhaland is concerned, the Prime Minister, Narendra Modi, came to our place and he said, your dream is my dream. And our people were very, very happy. But I tell my people that you cannot leave your dream with others. You cannot expect your dream to be fulfilled by other people. When the Prime Minister came and said that your dream is my dream, that is a very welcome statement to make. We welcome that statement. But we cannot just sit back at home, relax and say that the Prime Minister has taken care of my dreams. I have to take care of my dreams. I have to fulfill my dreams. The Garo people will have to fulfill their dreams. NFNS in itself cannot take custody of the dreams of Garoland. We will of course express solidarity with you. We will support you. We will be with you every step of the way. But that dream, you have to be the owners of the dream. The Garo people have to be the owners of the dream. The Garo people have to be the custodians of the dream. And it is the Garo people who will drive this dream. And it is the Garo people who will fulfill their dreams. And we will all witness that the fulfillment of those dreams. I am very certain in my heart. I surely believe that the dreams of the Garo people, the destiny of the Garo people will be given to them. The dreams of the Garo people will be fulfilled. I'm absolutely certain of that. Today, our Khasi friends have said, the HSPDP has said that they also want to be part of the NFNS. I welcome you to the NFNS family. We are all in the same journey. And when we are together, the journey becomes less arduous. The journey becomes less difficult. The journey becomes more possible when we can support each other. So I welcome you to the NFNS family. I've already requested our friend that you pass a resolution in your party and send us the resolution, and we will then formally also welcome you in the federation. But of course, today in the evening after this public meeting, we have a meeting of the NFNS. Nikman Marak is hosting us for the meeting. You're welcome to join us in the meeting. And in the meeting, we are going to take a resolution. I want to share that resolution with you. I want to share that because I want your support and I want your preparation for that resolution. In the coming winter session of the Parliament, which will be sometime in December, the NFNS plans to hold a one-day symposium and a one-day dharna in Delhi at Jantar Mantar. And we want all the constituents of NFNS, including Garoland and Khasi, to send enough number of delegates to make an impact in Delhi. And you have to prepare from right now. There's not much time left. There's just 1 month left. But we have to prepare. We have to make our voices heard. We have to tell them that we have our dreams, and our dreams have to be fulfilled, because this is a constitutional dream. This is a dream that is guaranteed by the Constitution. Our dream is not something that is unconstitutional. Our dream is not something that is unlawful. The present government, its party, put Gorkhaland in its manifesto in the 2019 elections. We want them to remember their manifesto. We want to remind them of what they said in their manifesto, and we want them to bring it to action. We want it to be fructified. And therefore, I would request all of you to start preparing to go to Delhi. We have to show our numbers. We have to show our strength. All of us from all over India have to come there. We have to show that the dream for a separate state is something that is guaranteed by the Constitution, and we have the right to claim that dream that is guaranteed to us by the Constitution. With that, I once again express my support to all of you. Thank you for all the wonderful welcome that you gave us. I really felt at home. I did not feel that I was visiting this place for the first time. I feel that I am among my family members. I felt that I am among my own people. And indeed, you are all our own people. Thank you for the wonderful hospitality that you extended to us. Thank you for the lovely dances. You know, the dances of Northeast are appreciated by everybody in India. But then it stops there. If you watch that movie, I forget the name of the movie, you'll help me remember that, where the penguins say, you know, when there's a lot of difficulty, they're only put for exhibition, and the penguin says, this is Madagascar. If you've seen that animation movie, some of you must have. The penguin says, smile and wave, boys, smile and wave. That is what they want us to do. They just want us to keep smiling, waving, dancing all the time. But we are tired of only dancing. We want to talk now. We don't want to just dance.